In the infinite silence of the cosmos, humanity has long pondered the nature of its place in the vast, unfathomable universe. Are we simply an accident of nature, a brief flicker in the immense expanse of time? Or do we hold a unique position in the grand story of existence? There, nestled in the shadows of a gas giant, in the frozen silence of space, lies a moon, Europa. And within this distant, cold world, a mystery beckons, a question that could change everything we know about life itself. Is there life on Europa? And if so, what does that mean for us? Europa's icy shell is an enigma, an alien landscape, seemingly devoid of life. But beneath the frozen surface lies a vast ocean, hidden and unexplored, a place where life may exist, not in the warmth of the sun, but in the cold shadows of a distant moon. Could life, as we know it, really thrive here? And could this ocean, so distant from Earth, offer answers that extend far beyond Europa, reaching back to our origins, our very understanding of life and existence? Europa's surface is a shell, thin, brittle, and scarred by cracks and ridges. Beneath it lies an ocean larger than all of Earth's oceans combined. But how can a world so far from the sun sustain a liquid sea? What could keep the ocean from freezing solid, in a place so distant and cold that sunlight never touches it? Gravitational forces from Jupiter are the key to understanding Europa's ocean. These tidal forces constantly stretch and squeeze the moon as it orbits the gas giant. It is this constant flexing that generates heat deep within Europa's core, preventing its ocean from freezing completely. This geothermal energy creates a liquid environment, a hidden world, a place where the basic ingredients for life may exist, far beyond our understanding. Though cold, Europa is not entirely frozen. Tidal forces create friction within the moon's interior, causing internal heating, which may keep the water below in a liquid state. This ocean, a true alien world, could be far more dynamic than it appears from the surface, perhaps even more than we can fathom. This hidden ocean is a place of extremes, where life may find a way to survive in ways we can't even imagine. The question isn't whether life could exist, but how it could survive in an environment so alien to our own experiences. On Earth, in the darkest, most inhospitable places, the deep ocean, life flourishes in ways we never thought possible. Around hydrothermal vents, vast communities of life exist without sunlight, thriving on the heat and chemicals emerging from deep within the Earth's crust. Could something similar exist on Europa? Life on Earth has evolved to thrive in the most extreme environments, deep beneath the ocean, in places of crushing pressure, near boiling water, and in complete darkness. In these depths, organisms have learned to use the energy found in chemicals instead of light. They thrive in heat. Life itself has adapted to the coldest, most unforgiving environments. And perhaps, deep beneath Europa's frozen crust, a similar miracle is happening. Could the ocean beneath Europa's surface harbor life that feeds not on sunlight, but on the energy released by chemical reactions between the ocean's water and the minerals below? Perhaps, just perhaps, Europa's ocean is home to life forms, not unlike those found around Earth's own hydrothermal vents. Life forms that have adapted to the extreme conditions of Europa, a dark, frozen world. In the absence of light, these creatures could survive, depending on the heat rising from the planet's core, relying on the energy hidden deep within the moon. Life here would not look like us or anything we've ever known, but it would be life, resilient, tenacious, and waiting to be discovered. To uncover the mysteries of Europa, humanity has crafted a mission like no other. The Europa Clipper is not just a spacecraft. It is a bridge, a connection between Earth and Europa, between the known and the unknown. This robotic explorer will conduct multiple flybys of Europa, gathering data that will unlock the secrets of its icy surface, its magnetic field, and, perhaps most importantly, its potential for life. Each flyby brings us closer to understanding Europa's ocean. The spacecraft will probe the moon's surface, map the ice beneath, and analyze the plumes of water vapor that burst into space. With cutting-edge instruments designed to detect biosignatures, Europa Clipper could one day answer the question humanity has been asking for centuries. Are we alone in the universe? To find life, we must first learn how to recognize it. Life on Earth has many signatures: water, organic molecules, complex carbon compounds. But what if life on Europa is unlike anything we've ever known? Could we even recognize it, if it exists, in forms we cannot yet imagine? On Earth, we have learned that life is far more adaptable than we once believed. From the deepest parts of the ocean to the boiling hot springs of Yellowstone, life has found ways to survive against all odds. If life can exist in the harshest corners of our world, is it so unimaginable that Europa's hidden ocean is home to a similar miracle? To discover life on Europa would not simply be a scientific triumph. It would be a philosophical revelation, a realization that we are not alone in the cosmos. It would suggest that life is not a rare anomaly, a fluke of nature, but a common occurrence. A process, a phenomenon that can emerge wherever the conditions are right. The implications of such a discovery would echo throughout human history, reshaping our view of the universe and our place within it. What does it mean to find life beyond Earth? It would redefine our existence, remind us that we are part of something far larger than ourselves. That life, in all its forms, is a shared inheritance of the universe, not an isolated event, but a part of a grander cosmic symphony. We may not yet know what that life would look like or how it would function, but we would know this. It is a reminder that we are all part of the same story, a story that spans across the stars, through time, and through the vast unknown. As we send our robotic explorers to the surface of Europa, we are not just searching for life. We are searching for meaning, for connection, for the truth about who we are in this vast, cosmic tapestry. Europa is not just a distant moon. It is a mirror to our own existence, a reminder that we, too, are a part of the universe's endless unfolding. The journey to Europa is a journey not just into the depths of space, but into the heart of what it means to be alive. And as we look up at the stars, we realize we are not alone in the cosmos. We never have been.